pedicure and manicure also?
Yes, I do the pedicure, manicure also. But normally, if you go to the spa for pedicure, manicure, they just clean with a foot filer and they just put the nail paint and then you can go. But in my place, we just like do the warm water. We put the sea salt inside, and we remove all your hard skin with the foot filer and stone and scrubbing, and then we give you massage with a scrub, like an apricot scrub, like very nice foot massage with the scrub and then with the cream. And then we have another like a spa, which is spa manicure and pedicure. In that we do how we do the facial.
Friends, how are you all? This is Miki, and I think I am one of the very few Indians who must have visited the Balkans, which is Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, and I was in Tallinn for like 4 days. I loved it. I was in Riga, but I didn't get to go to the other capital of the other country. But I love Balkans. I love Balkans. I think it's so good. And I'm enjoying people coming and going. I'm enjoying my pampering.
What a service. Two things in the same time.
No, she's just cleaning my knee. I'm putting polish. To save time, no?
Yeah, I understand.
To save time.
Nice shops you have. That is cool.
Behind, did you see behind? Boutique and spa in one.